OEM 6G0-26301-02-00. Throttle cable. Wire assembly manufactured by Ice Marine is designed for Yamaha outboard engines, providing smooth and accurate throttle control by transmitting input from the control handle directly to the engine mechanism for responsive acceleration and stable performance on the water. Built with a durable inner cable and protective outer sheath, it is engineered to resist corrosion, vibration, and heat in harsh marine environments, operating reliably at temperatures up to around 105 degrees Celsius. This updated version replaces earlier part numbers 6G0-26301-00 and 6G0-26301-01 and is commonly used on Yamaha two-stroke outboards ranging from 9.9 HP to 25 HP, including 9.9, 13.5, 15, 20, and 25 HP models. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, specializes in premium aftermarket marine products you can trust. Learn more at iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +886 966 468 632.